Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2017 Ram 3500 Laramie Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine, and we have a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in the bright white and it looks fantastic. You do have the chrome accenting on your grille there with that Laramie grille. It looks awesome. You have the chrome bumper with your tow hooks and your parking sensors on them. You do also have bifunction projector style headlights right there, and your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side, we do have 18-inch rims with Firestone brand tires. Still lots of tread left on them, and I really like those rims. They look very nice. You do have the Cummins badging, as well as the 3500. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right here with the turning signal on them, and as well, they are tow mirrors, so you can just push them up just like that, and then you do have the tow mirrors to help you see back a little bit farther. Does also have the running boards along the bottom, definitely helpful if you are a little bit shorter like I am. And coming all the way down to here, we do have a 6-foot box back here, chrome bumper as well. You do have those parking sensors back here as well. You have your backup camera right there. And opening this guy up, we do have lots of room back here. Does have the box liner as well, so nothing will be getting scratched up while you're hauling it around. Well, we got our keys here, so we got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter, it'll get nice and started up for you. Be nice and warm, you can get those heated seats going, and it'll be real nice. Now, as well, let's unlock it and let's take a look on the inside. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks, all right here. And this guy does put in the mirrors. You have a little bit of chrome accenting here and kind of a wood finish up here. It looks very nice. You have a handle here. You have some storage down there and some more down here with your water bottle holder. Lots of room in here. It is leather. It feels fantastic. You got the Laramie badging on there. It looks awesome, very comfortable. You do have the controls over your seats, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt, the lumbar support, and you also have your seat memory right here. And then up here we do also have the controls over our lights. So we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams all right in there, as well as our fog lights if you press it in, and then your in-cabin light control there. Up here we do have the controls over our high beams, our turning signals, and our windshield wipers, all right there. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. In the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge, engine temperature, we have our transmission temperature, and our oil. And now in the center there we can see that we have 26,000 kilometers, not too many. We also have the temperature outside, which way we're facing, and what channel we're on. We can switch that around though to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B. You also got your trailer tow, your audio, your stored messages, your screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. It is controlled from your steering wheel right here with your voice recognition, your call out for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. Around the back of the steering wheel right here we have volume up and down, as well as the source changer. And on the other side we do have a channel changer. This guy is our gear shift, just like that. And when you are in reverse, you do have that backup camera on that 8.4-inch touchscreen display. It looks fantastic, keeps you nice and safe. Now you also have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all in there. You have your media devices if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, aux cord, USB, or through your disc. You also have your controls over your heated and vented seats, your steering wheel heat, and your backup camera and your settings. You got all your apps through your Uconnect here. Then you also have your climate control right over here with a dual climate system for you and your passenger, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. Then you also have your navigation over here. You can see we are in Recreation Place. Then you have your phone options right over here as well if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Down here we have our controls over our volume with our mute. We also have our screen off. We have our hazard lights there. There we go, hazard lights right there. Back button, our browser and tuner. We also have our AC, our circulation. We have our controls for the dual climate system right there, our off, our auto. We have our front and rear defrost. And then down here we have all sorts of different controls. We have our trailer brake. We have our traction control, tow and haul mode. This guy's our exhaust brake, our front and rear park assist. Then we have the heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, and same for the other side. And right over here we do have our controls over our 4-wheel lock, our 4-wheel low, and our 2-wheel. Then we have down here, we have some additional storage, some more just over there. And in the center we have 3 cup holders and our armrest, which does double as a storage container. We have some coin holders here, and right over here we do have a USB and an aux cord plug-in. Now we can close this guy up, lift this up, and we do have an additional seat just underneath there. So it does seat 6 people all together. You can also lift this up, and there is your CD player just right underneath there. And then over here we do also have our top glove box and our bottom glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. And then up top we have our controls over our sunroof, we have our controls over the little window in the back, and our universal garage door opener. And our sunroof is right there. It looks awesome, lets in tons of light. Let's take a look in the back here, open this guy up. Now on the door here you have that same chrome accenting on the handle with the wood. You have a handle here, some storage here, and some more just down there. Very nice interior back here as well. As I said, it is a crew cab, so you got tons of room back here for all your people. Very soft with the leather. And you can also pull this down right over here, just like that. And you got an armrest and some cup holders if you didn't have someone in the middle. You can also lift this up and lift this up, and then you got some storage just underneath there. Or you can fold this up and fold it down just like that, and you got a flat surface to set things on. On the other side under the seat there is a subwoofer. Blast some music, make it sound real nice. And then right over here we do have some additional storage just underneath there. And there's our 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine. That does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Ram 3500 Laramie. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.